What's up? We coming back with another video real quick, man. Before I head to work, I just wanted to drop this video on y'all because we all need a little motivation, including me from time to time, man. Even when I'm sitting here getting ready to go to work, doing this video talking to y'all, man, motivation is key to everything. Motivation is key to longevity, because if you don't have the motivation to get up and continue to go to your job or whatever you do to make ends meet, to provide for your daily activities or whatever that may be, rent is due, food got to be put on the table. Sometimes it gets a little overwhelming for people, and having that on your mind constantly, month after month. Bills are due month after month. You got to eat every day, a couple times a day, especially if you got kids, they got growing appetites and things like that. So this video is for those people who can relate to situations like that. This video is for you. This is your motivation. Don't give up. I know it feels like you don't have any more strength sometimes. Maybe you lost a loved one or a family member or a friend that may be weighing on your mind, or maybe at work you don't like your boss, or maybe you don't like your coworker, or whatever the case may be. I'm here to tell you, Education Network TV is here to tell you that keep pushing. Do not give up, because there's a light at the end of that tunnel. See that tunnel right there? That little tunnel right there? See the light? Look at the tunnel. See it? Yeah, that's the light. Keep pushing if you want to get there. We got goals. A lot of us got goals to become big business owners because of, maybe we had these goals already, but the pandemic, definitely opened our eyes to things that we knew, but we were blind to. But it showed us a different side of life. And, it's actually pushing us and gearing us towards the era of technology. And basically, I don't want to say it, but it feels like a one world order, like a new world order, like one world, one government type thing. But anyway, not to jump off track, this is keep pushing. This is the motivation that you need. Don't give up. God is looking down at you. He's blessing you as you're watching this video. Do not give up, because you know why? That light, you just seen the light, the tunnel. You're in the middle of the tunnel. Now, if you stop in the middle, you're either going to go backwards, because you can't get forward if you stop. So just keep pushing. Don't give up. That's the motivation. Do not give up. I don't care if you was hungover last night, you went out with your friends, y'all went to happy hour turned in a couple of hours turned into 2 a.m. Get up and go to work. Go get that money, because your family's dependent on you. You watching this video. I know you're probably looking at me like, look at that dirty ass Scully or whatever. Things like that. Oh, but listen, don't worry about me, because I'm human just like you, and I need the motivation too. So at the end of the day, I meditate, I self-motivate, I listen to positive affirmations through reading books. Sometimes I could be thinking about something, and then I read a book, and I could read that in a book that I didn't even know that it was in that type of book. So, you always got to pay attention to the positive affirmations that come to you through everyday's journeys. Whether you could be thinking about playing a lottery, driving in your car, and then you look over and there's a number on the house that has your lottery number on it. There's a number on the house that you were going to play in the lottery. That could be a positive affirmation that your number might jump. It's a risk though. So it's the same thing we do when we get up every day and we go to sleep at night. We get up to take risks. We don't know if we're going to have that job in the morning, but we stay positive. We go into work and we give our all in 100%, and we keep pushing, and then hoping that tomorrow when we get up, we have the same job to go to, so we can go and give 110%, so we can wake up the next day and keep pushing to keep that momentum flowing and keep food coming and bills paid. So this is that video, guys. Do not give up. Whatever it is you want to achieve, or whatever you have been trying to achieve, whether it has been in the past, Now is the time to do it. Now is the time to do it. Do not get scared. Do not put a break. Do not put brakes on your plans because there's something out there where we got to wear a mask and things like that. Understandable, but still keep that positive mind frame. Still keep your goals in place. The same energy you have towards the end of the week when it's Thursday and Friday and you like, oh, I'm about to go turn up with my homies, and for the ladies, I'm about to go turn up with my girlfriends and things like that. Have that same energy when it's Saturday and Sunday has rolled around and you gearing up for the beginning of the week, which is Monday. Have that same energy that you had going into the weekend at the beginning of the week on a Monday, and carry that same energy every day. I know it's hard. That's what I say. Keep that positive mindset. This video is for you if you need motivation. Don't stop. It's just like if you want to get that summer body. You want that summer body where you could be at the beach in that 2-piece bikini from Louis Vuitton or whatever name brand of your choice. Like, you want it to fit right on your body, so you know that there's some steps and procedures that you got to go through before you could get that summer body, which is putting that time in the gym, working out, eating right, which is dieting. All that comes into play of that summer body that you want. It's the same thing when you are trying to grind and get to that next level. First, you got to have a clear vision. You got to know, okay, this is what I want to do. Boom. Secondly, this is how I got to go about doing it. Boom. Once you have those two, the third, execution. Okay, this is how I'm going to execute to get back to 1 and 2. Execution is key. You can have a multi-million-dollar plan. You can have a multi-million-dollar idea. You can have the money to do it. But if you do not execute it, meaning if you do not put your plan into motion, it is just nothing but an idea. And your idea is worth something. Do not think that your ideas are not worth something, because somebody would take the same idea that you had and actually move on it, meaning execute on it, and they'll become a multi-millionaire and have money to feed their children's children off of your idea, because you didn't have the courage to believe in yourself, to believe in your idea, to bring it to life. So guys, these are just examples that I'm telling you. Do not give up. Do not give up. Whether you have a 9-to-5, whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you no matter what walk of life that you're on right now, if you have the right mind frame, you have the right vision and the right execution plan, guys, it's only a matter of time before it happens for you. Believe me. Do not let people get inside your head with their negative thoughts and place their negative burdens and their failed attempts at what they wanted to do on you. Don't let them say, oh, you can't do that, man. Nah, you can't do this. Nah. Turn around and ask them, why can't I do it? Why can't I do it? And watch what their response be. You know what their response is going to be? I'm going to tell you right now, their response is going to be, because, man, I tried to do such and such and such, and that didn't work out for me. So I'm just telling you, man, that cost me such and such and such, and that didn't work out for me. Once again, what does that got to do with me? Just because that didn't work for you, what is that to say that it's not going to work for me? How many marriages fail? And how many successful marriages are there? Marriage may not be for everybody, but marriage is for some people. It all depends on you. It all depends on your approach at things. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Everybody's approach is not going to be the same approach. Marriage may work for some, marriage don't work for all. College may work for some, college don't work for all. Some people graduated high school, some people dropped out. This is what I'm saying. It's all walks of life for all different types of people. No matter where you are in the world, no matter what race, what gender, what color you are. It doesn't matter about any of that. It just all starts with here. It starts with the mind. And once you get the mind in a positive mindset, and you are ready to receive what the universe is trying to give to you, because sometimes we could block our own blessings. I'm just saying the truth here. You may not like it. You may not want to like it. But at the end of the day, this is just the truth. Sometimes we could be standing in the way of our own blessings. Oh, I'm not going to talk to so-and-so because I don't like so-and-so. But so-and-so has the knowledge that can possibly propel you to a different level, but you're not going to talk to so-and-so. So that's like saying, I'm not going to go to work because I don't like my coworker. So you're going to let your coworker stop you from putting food and paying your bills because you don't like your coworker? So you're going to stop the fact that you don't like somebody from getting the knowledge that could propel you to the next level of life because you don't like a person? See, once we stop thinking like that, then our lives would change. But anyway, man, I got to get to work. That was just on my mind. I'm sorry if I'm talking a little fast right now and if I lost you. If I did, I apologize. My apologies. No disrespect, but I just had to get that off real quick because I got to get to work. Guys, man, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please share this video, man. You never know, this video might brighten up somebody's day. Sorry about the lighting and things like that. The sun is going in and out my window. It looks like it's going to rain today and things like that. But yeah, stay motivated. Stay motivated. Keep your head up. Life is going to throw obstacles your way. It's going to give you trials and tribulations, but just remember this one thing before I sign off. Remember this one thing. When you pray for bigger and better things in life, just know that life is going to give you bigger and harder trials and tribulations because it's testing you for what you're asking for, and it wants to see if you can really handle these blessings, because if you can't handle the trials and tribulations to get to the blessings, then you won't be able to handle the blessings. So the blessings are kind of building your character and molding you for what's to come. So just remember, when you pray for bigger and better levels, also pray for strength and courage to endure what you're about to go through to get to your next level. So with that, thank you for tuning in to Education Network TV, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.